Chat lock on WhatsApp lets you secure private chats with your phone password or biometrics, keeping them hidden from others. If you don't see the chat lock option, this video shows 8 quick fixes to restore it on Android and iPhone so you can protect your conversations again. Part 1. Why is my WhatsApp not showing the chat lock option? Outdated WhatsApp update required. No device security enable pin/biometrics.no biometric permission Android. Old OS not supported. Secure folder conflict Samsung. Regional rollout delay. App cache bug. Modded WhatsApp not supported. Part 2. Fix chat lock not showing in WhatsApp. 8 easy solutions. Way 1. Check phone compatibility. Way 2. Check secure folder. Way 3. Clear WhatsApp cache data. Way 4. Restart WhatsApp. Way 5. Verify WhatsApp beta. Way 6. Update WhatsApp. Way 7. Update Android iOS. Way 8. Contact WhatsApp support. Part 3. Restore locked WhatsApp chats from backups via MobiKin software safe. Backup WhatsApp chats and attachments on Android with MobiKin WhatsApp recovery, saving data to your computer even locked chats. Preview and restore messages, media, contacts, links, and stickers on most Android devices. How to backup WhatsApp conversations to PC for easy restore using MobiKin. WhatsApp recovery for Android. Download and install the software on your computer, then choose Recovery from Android device from the left panel. Connect your Android phone via USB, enable USB debugging, and follow prompts to disable end-to-end encryption for backup. Start the backup process, then preview your WhatsApp messages and chat attachments like photos and videos to select items for recovery. Recover to computer by exporting chosen conversations in your preferred format. This will let you regain access to your locked WhatsApp chats without limits.